This is what a design boutique hotel should be. Strap in, because this is gonna blow you away. Building where the Eclat is located is an incredible piece of architecture. It's basically a glass structure with towers enclosed inside, a mixed use, and I think it's one of the very first, if not the first, LEED certified multi-use property in all of China. In addition to it just being a green building, it is also designed so that it does not cast any shadows on any of the neighboring buildings itself. Just a little added tidbit of information. This building, including the hotel, it houses Asia's largest Salvador Dalí collection of sculptures. This series of the little red men represent the artist feeling of when he was a boy, and feeling like a shy little boy. You can see the space is just stunning. It's open, natural light. Shopping mall on the bottom with offices above it. And I love the exposed elevator system here to the offices. Look at this. Have you ever seen? Oh my God. Look at the size of that thing. Look at this beam. It's all the way down. So the hotel actually occupies the top floors of these two towers that are built underneath the atrium itself. And a little tidbit right up there, you can see the earth. Here's another Dalí piece. This one's called Dragon Swan Elephant. This piece is called the Enlightened Ones. So Tesla has a store here. I think Polestar has a store as well, but in the parking lot there's a ton of Teslas. And of course you'd have the hi-fi here. Okay, this is what the room looks like. I just checked in. I haven't gone through it all yet. Let's go through it together. To the right is a giant, deep soaking bathtub and an open shower. No shower curtain, no shower door. I love it. You just walk in, take a shower, and walk out. That is something awesome. And of course it has this switch here. So if you want privacy to the bedroom, just a quick switch and you got it. Hair dryer, scale, some amenities with a mouthwash. Thank you so much. Look at this sink. God, that's a big frickin' sink. Cotton balls. Interesting. And of course, an electric toilet. Thank you. Sliding door for the closet. Great big closet. I mean, everything in here is kind of got this artistic feel. I mean, even the shopping bag and the umbrella. Look at that. You know, it's just not your standard umbrella. You know, hangers for the ladies, and two very soft robes, branded. Very nice. Wow. Giant mirror on the right. Gotta have that. And a wonderful, sexy, and complete minibar area. Some fruit, a nice apple, some pastries. Look at this. This is the ice bucket. It's a sphere ice bucket. I love it. A coffee machine. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know how to use one of these, but I love that it's there. It's so cool. Down here is a mini bar. These juices are complimentary. Champagne, you can make mimosas. Complimentary chips, tea, and coffee. Compared to the rest of the hotel, this is actually a very subtle room. But I kind of like the simplicity of it. The presentation of the bed is excellent, with mood lighting underneath. To the left, we have a Bang & Olufsen Bluetooth speaker. That thing is huge, man. Look at the size of that thing. Wow. Look at the luggage area here. It's got this old world kind of luggage thing with a strap, and that's permanently in place like that. That's designed for this. Very cool. That the TV is off to the right a little bit, which I like. So you're not distracted by the TV, but it's still close enough to where it can be distracting. I don't like the chair, I'll be honest with you. It's a design hotel, so you're going to have design over comfort in some cases, and that's what this is. I have no plans on sitting here. Complete desk. It says here, order from your iPad. Okay. Well, that's the iPad there. So this iPad is for room service. Very cool. And you can take it with you, but it doesn't have 4G. It's just Wi-Fi only, but nice consumption iPad. Okay, back over here. Look, no USB ports, but 4 plugs. Check this out. 3D glasses. Yes, you can get 3D movies. They have a 3D DVD player right here, so you can get some 3D movies. Can always appreciate that. TV, of course, with all the compendium built into the software, as well as all the movie channels. And look, it's got a massaging chair. I was curious about this gun, right? Why would they have a gun next to the bed? Well, when you want to kill the light, look at that. It kills the light. It literally kills the light. That is super cool. First time I've ever seen that before. Overnight breakfast menu that you hang on your door overnight. Look at that. Not bad. One of the great features about this particular room is the terrace. Now, it's Beijing in the wintertime, so you think it would be cold out here, but no, this is an indoor terrace. An amazing terrace, but I love because it's indoors, yet you still have an outdoor feel, but you don't have the dirt and the dust or the temperature. It's very open and inviting. I mean, that's why I don't want to work at the desk. I'm going to set up my computer and work out here. And that's the mall down there. It is an art mall. Man, I got so much to film in this. It's going to be insane. The light fixtures just adds a lot of ambience out here. Just some random steering wheels. BE2. I mean, this is just perfect for gatherings and meetings and whatnot. What a great centerpiece. Super awesome. Now, this hotel has other rooms above me. I can actually hear it, and they have private swimming pools in some of the suites on the upper floors. Still super, super private, not just for the pools, the people who have those rooms, but down here they can't see into my terrace either. They have doors on each side. So if you want to put 2 rooms together and open up the terraces, you can have a party. So you don't have the connecting rooms, you have the connecting terrace doors. And because it's this indoor-outdoor feel, it works. I love the wood floor. It's missing something here. Honestly, I think it needs some kind of rug just to make it a little bit more homey right there. But, I mean, do I have any right to complain when I'm in a room like this? I don't think so. Let me show you something else cool about this room. Just go out the door. And it's the yoga studio and the gym right out my front door. The yoga studio even has like yoga videos playing. Look at this. They have branded clothing. Wow. Complimentary waters in the gym, towels. I mean, even the chests here and this little table. Very, very cool. It's not a big hotel, only a little over 100 rooms, but it occupies the top floors. There's art pieces everywhere. Look at the individual seating areas. Overlooking Beijing. I love hotels like this for not only the inspiration it gives you, the creativity, but inspiration in life, inspiration in business. It sparks something in your brain that you don't get at a Hilton Garden Inn. This is the hotel elevator landing bay. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. This is an art piece. Everything is glued on there. Even down here. It's a chandelier, but it's like wrapped. And it's almost, you can see the chandelier is trying to spit out. This is a photographic map of Beijing. So the Forbidden City is right there. And that's where the Eclat is. The new financial district of Beijing. Very, very awesome. Check this out, I just noticed they have all these pots on the ground, and in the middle of the pots they have a shoe. How clever. You can be a little voyeuristic. You can get yourself some candies. It's a little night snack. And yes, that is done on purpose. Because why not? Look at these sculptures, just everywhere you go. Here is different. The hallways are different. Reminds me of the library scene in Ghostbusters. Cards are gonna start flying out and chase a librarian away. Pesos. I really love this piece. Beautiful. Just a small collection of bicycles. This is a Ferrari bicycle. Look at that. They got old, new, and just strange. These bicycles aren't just like show pieces, that are ancient that someone bought and put in the room to make it look international. Now, each one of these is in pristine, rideable condition. This is a Lotus. You have collections? Great. They have collections here. Star Wars. Most people only have one Darth Vader. They have 6. Mint in box. Oh, there's the Dodgers. I love this antique chest. Oh, that's a creepy one. This one's a Lian Kai. That's a pretty cool looking desk. So I'm told this is the entrance to the presidential suite. These must be all the different people who have stayed here in the presidential suite. You get to sign your name.